What if the world you know is only a sliver of what exists? What if, beyond the reaches of our imagination, lies a hidden reality, a parallel world as vivid and real as our own? Imagine a place where each decision we make, each yes or no, ripples across dimensions, splitting into new realities, each one just as real as this moment. Today, we venture beyond the boundaries of what we know, into the enigma of parallel universes, the multiverse. Just saying the word conjures images of infinite worlds stacked like books on a shelf, each containing versions of reality that boggle the mind. Are we truly alone in our universe, or could we be mere threads in a vast tapestry of countless other worlds? Buckle up, because what we're about to uncover may challenge everything you thought you knew about existence. To grasp the possibility of other worlds, we need to start at the quantum level, with particles that dance between existence and the void. Imagine a universe where reality itself is never fixed, where every atom exists in a strange, ghostly state of maybe. Quantum physics, the science of the minuscule, suggests that particles can exist in many states at once, a phenomenon that defies logic, and yet, it's been observed. This eerie behavior became the foundation of one of the most bewildering theories in science, the many-worlds interpretation. Proposed by Hugh Everett, it's an idea that stirs both excitement and dread. According to Everett, every time a particle makes a choice to go left or right, spin up or down, it's creating a new universe. Think about that. A new reality for every decision, not just at the particle level, but at every level. Imagine this. Every moment you've ever lived is preserved somewhere in the fabric of the multiverse. A version of you chose a different path, spoke different words, lived a different life. And in another universe, right now, another you is living out the choices you left behind. As we dig deeper, the mystery only grows. Scientists discovered that observing particles seems to affect their state, as if reality itself responds to the mere act of being seen. This phenomenon, the observer effect, implies a profound link between consciousness and the universe. It's almost as if reality waits, undecided, until we interact with it. But what happens to the paths we don't observe? Imagine the power that this gives to our minds. The idea that merely witnessing reality might solidify it. Could every decision we fail to make, every road not taken, spin off into a separate world? The choices you ponder but never take may still play out somewhere, waiting in a world just beyond our sight. This idea is dizzying. It suggests that consciousness isn't just part of reality, it shapes it, bends it, and maybe even creates it. In one universe, you are watching this documentary. In another, you turned it off moments ago. The observer effect suggests that perhaps we are not passive in this universe, but active creators, etching our choices into the fabric of existence. Yet, it's not only the quantum world that hints at parallel universes. To see the bigger picture, we need to go back to the very beginning, the dawn of existence. Nearly 14 billion years ago, our universe exploded into being in a moment we call the Big Bang. But this wasn't just a flash of light. It was the birth of space and time, flinging matter outward at incomprehensible speeds. During the first moments of existence, our universe experienced a rapid expansion called cosmic inflation. Some scientists believe that this inflation may have spawned other universes, each one a bubble expanding in its own corner of a greater multiverse. Imagine an endless sea of bubbles, each one a universe, floating together but forever separate. In one bubble, physics might work as we know it. Stars shine, planets spin. But in another, the laws of nature could be unrecognizable, realities where gravity pulls upward, or time flows backward, or life is something we can't even comprehend. If true, our universe is just one among countless others, adrift in an ocean of possibilities. We might be inhabitants of a cosmic archipelago, each universe a lonely island with its own version of life, love, and reality. Have you ever experienced a sensation so strange, so haunting, it defies explanation? A feeling like you've lived a moment before, even though it's happening for the first time? Déjà vu has baffled us for centuries, but some scientists wonder, could it be a glitch in the multiverse? Imagine that every déjà vu you feel is a flicker from a parallel universe, where another version of you lived that exact moment. A brief alignment, a window through which we catch a glimpse of a life we're not living, a choice we didn't make. These moments of déjà vu might be more than a trick of the mind. They might be the places where our universe brushes against another. Imagine, just for a moment, that each flash of familiarity is a sign that, somewhere, a parallel you is living out the life you never chose, standing on a different path, in a world just like this one, yet entirely different. But there's an even more unsettling possibility, one that blurs the line between reality and illusion. Imagine that everything we know, Every moment we experience is artificial, a grand simulation, like a hyper-realistic game created by an advanced civilization. This is the simulation hypothesis. If a civilization reaches a certain level of technological sophistication, it's conceivable they could create simulated worlds, each filled with conscious beings unaware of their own artificiality. Imagine that our universe, with its stars, galaxies, and life itself, is a product of advanced coding, simulated for purposes beyond our understanding. If that's true, parallel universes could be other simulations, different worlds running alongside ours, each with unique rules and histories. Some scientists argue that if we are in a simulation, there could be hidden code within the laws of physics, patterns that hint at a designed reality. Is there a way to test this? Could we someday reach a point where we break free and see the code? This theory challenges everything we know about reality. If we are indeed living in a simulation, it raises questions too profound to answer. Questions about purpose, free will, and the nature of existence itself. Are we players in a grand design, living lives scripted by beings beyond our understanding? For now, the multiverse remains a theory, tantalizing but elusive. Yet, scientists are driven by the quest for proof, setting their sights on experiments that could finally unveil another world. At CERN, the world's most powerful particle accelerator, researchers are smashing particles together, searching for traces that might leak into another dimension. The Large Hadron Collider may hold the key to the multiverse, as it recreates the conditions of the Big Bang, hoping to glimpse particles slipping away to parallel worlds. Astronomers are also analyzing the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, for any signs of other universes, like imprints left by cosmic collisions between our universe and another. Imagine the day we find evidence, a particle that vanishes without explanation, a pattern in space that defies the laws of physics, a discovery that tells us we are not alone, that we are part of something so vast, so boundless, it stretches the limits of human understanding. As we draw to a close, we're left with a question that lingers, unanswered, and the vastness of the unknown. Are we truly alone in our universe, or is our reality one thread in a cosmic web of infinite dimensions? The multiverse may be speculative, but the ideas it inspires push the boundaries of our imagination and spark a deeper curiosity about our place in the cosmos. Look up at the stars tonight. As you gaze into the night sky, remember this: there may be countless eyes, countless worlds, countless lives out there in the infinite dark. Somewhere, in a universe that mirrors our own, another version of you may be asking the very same questions, wondering if they, too, are part of a multiverse beyond their comprehension. Thank you for joining us on this journey beyond the known, where each question brings us closer to the ultimate truth. The universe may hold endless mysteries, but together, we'll keep seeking answers, one awe-inspiring discovery at a time. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to explore more of the universe's greatest mysteries with us. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments, do you believe in parallel universes? And what theories would you like us to explore next? Your thoughts fuel our quest for discovery, so join our community of explorers and let's uncover the secrets of the cosmos together.